Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get inside Tortuga in Windrose. Now hopefully when you're watching this video, you should have had the tutorial right here where it says how my sea adventure began. And pretty much on the final objective of this tutorial, it will say to head over to the Tortuga market. Now the location of that quest will pinpoint an island over here to the south, but it might be different for yours. Just make sure to hover over your mouse to whatever side quest it is so you'll know which one it is. Now, however, when you do go to the island where Tortuga is, more than likely you should have encountered the massive barrier that is surrounding the island. However, that really won't be a problem for you. All you have to do is just circle around the entire island until you can find their dock right here. For me right now, it's pretty much here to the south of the island. So I just made my way from here to the top and all the way here to the bottom, and eventually I managed to reach their dock for me to access Tortuga. Now once you reach the dock of Tortuga, make sure to step on land and it should automatically discover the fast travel option that is already placed inside the island, which will give you access to immediately teleport to the area without having to travel the waters and risk getting attacked by Blackbeard. And that's pretty much about it on how to enter Tortuga in Windrose.